So here's an app called Jagat, socialized in Zenly way. Yeah, as you probably know, like Zenly app was shut down. It was quite popular social mapping app, and yeah, now there are a lot of alternatives, and this app is one of those. So you can just open it up, and this is how the app looks like. It has like very similar design to Zenly, and then you can just you can see now it's posted within 50 you can 50 kilometers, so you can see all the people posting some different photos. You can add friends. You can allow to add friends from your contacts by ID or scan QR code. Then just your settings. Here you already have ghost mode. Select some friends to change what they can see, either precise location or frozen locations. So you can just move friends around and set up what your friends can exactly see or not. And then you have settings. You can delete your account. You can add sign in with Google or Apple. And then they have this new feature where you can try to import Zenly data and try to recover it. Make sure you've got the data file from Zenly, then decompress this file. You should see a folder named locations. Choose the decompressed data file and click upload. Congratulations, your data will soon be restored. Let's reunite on Jagat. So yeah, that's basically the idea here. That's how you see you can add friends. You can see what they're doing everywhere. And yeah, so that's basically the idea here. So yeah, hope that's helpful. Give a try to this app. I don't know if it's available on Android or iOS. So there you have it.